For membership associations, the struggle exists not only to find new members, but to retain the ones they already have. Enter predictive analytics. By tracking a member's attributes as well as their activity over time, we give ourselves a better chance to see when interest has dropped off. For example, is the member spending less out-of-pocket money with the association? If organizational memberships are in play, are less contacts on the member's side participating in events? These factors may also be customized based on the association's needs, data available, and history. For example, an association may anecdotally know that if a member organization does not send at least one person to the association's annual meeting, they are at a high risk for attrition. Where it's logical, we may weigh one factor as being more dangerous than another. Consider this raw list of member organizations for an association. Without the context of an organized transactional history, it is difficult to gauge which organization is more likely to attrite than another. And it follows that a group assigned to membership retention may not be sure which member needs more or less of their attention. At BDS, we have vast experience in organizing a company's raw transactional database into a framework with historical indicators of action, side by side with additional attributes, such as SIC codes and company size. Once the transactional history is in place, we may calculate where these drop-offs occur. Again, customization for any of these factors may be done based on a client's needs. In this example, we've placed a global threshold of a 15% drop-off until the factor in question is considered dangerous. For example, if the member organization spent at least 15% less than they did in the previous year, the money spent factor is considered dangerous. If they sent at least 15% less people to the annual meeting than they did last year, the annual meeting factor is considered dangerous. The factors considered dangerous are then tallied and summarized in what we call the danger count. The more factors considered dangerous for a given member, the more likely they are to attrite. With this context added, we may now group the members into categories of potential to attrite, sort those most likely to attrite to the top, and begin our outreach. Now, having this information available also improves the quality and the substance of the outreach itself. Hello, we've noticed that not as many people from your company attended our annual meeting this year. Is there some feedback you'd like to give to make our annual meeting more interesting to you and your colleagues? Things like that. Helpful to ask these questions to your members. Or say the meeting hasn't occurred yet. Track who's currently registered, then make your outreach before the meeting occurs to help generate more registrations. Another consideration to make is that these reports do not have to be and should not be static. BDS will assist in generating the process to score each member after each data refresh. It could be daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly based on the client's needs. This way, users see members going up and down in the danger report, being considered less or more likely to attrite as the transactional history changes and the company information changes. Also, once the danger count algorithm is designed, it may be adjusted as the more rounded out thinking emerges. For example, one association may say, we used to think that not attending the annual meeting was our biggest red flag for a member, but now we see that dropping off the email newsletter is just as dangerous. So anyone dropping from the newsletter should get 2 points towards their danger count instead of 1. Ideas like this will flourish once the user spends some time with the danger count report. The algorithm will grow and adjust to suit your membership retention needs. In these times, data is the key to help predict when and why a member will attrite from an association. If you're a membership association looking to intelligently retain members and dissuade attrition, give BDS a call today. You may qualify for a free proof of concept, where the BDS team will begin working with your transactional database so that you may get a sense of how the framework will be designed before any commitment is made. Please call today. Thank you.